Hello and welcome. This is Mudasir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will see next primitive. So let's get started. I will go here in modeling panel, and from here I will just click on this drop down arrow. I will click here and you can see next primitive here is Sapphire. So I will click this one to activate this. I will click here, and now you can see here it is asking about specify center point. So I will specify center point here. I will click here, and now it is asking about specify the radius. For example, I need 30 unit of radius, so I will just write here 30 and I will hit enter. Now you can see this is the sphere, but it is not looking like sphere because this is in 2D wireframe. So I will change visual style from here. I will click here and I will choose realistic. I will click here. Now you can see it is looking like sphere. Again I will change it into 2D wireframe. I will click here and again I will click here to activate this one, and let's see what another options are. So I will click here, and now you can see there are three options: 3P, 2P and TTR, as same as we did before in cone and cylinder. So let's see what is 3P. So I will click here and I will just give first point, second point and then third point. So this is 3P, and you have to do the 2P by yourself, as 2 point will be first point and second point. Then we will see what is the TTR option. So I will just activate line command from here and I will just give first point, second point, okay, and third point, as these are two lines. So I need tangent. So what I will do, I will just click to activate this one, right click, TTR option. So I will just give first tangent point, second tangent point, and then it is asking about what radius. So I want to just give a radius of 35 unit. I will hit enter. Okay, now let me just change this one visual style as realistic, and now you can see this is tangent to these two lines. Okay, so these were some options in Sapphire. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.